Hey there, welcome to my room at Hotel Lisboa Plaza. Come on in. When you first enter the room, there's a closet with a safe next to the very large bathroom with a toilet, bidet, and shower bathtub, and they supply you with plenty of amenities. Then through another doorway is the bedroom. This room has 2 twin beds that can either be separate or together, with a television, desk, and mini fridge with complimentary waters to start off your stay. Slippers and robes are also available. Now let's go down to the lobby and see the rest of the property. In the lounge to the right of the lobby, this is where you'll find tea, coffee, and water throughout the day with plenty of seating area. Then on the other side of the lobby is the bar and restaurant that you can dine in for dinner, another salon to lounge in. There is a gym in case you feel like you aren't getting enough exercise walking around Lisbon. The breakfast buffet is one not to be missed. Anything you can think of is offered here, and it's a great way to start your day, so I highly recommend including it in your stay. And lastly, there's a computer room available. Now let's head up to the rooftop, which is one of my favorite places to hang out at a Lisbon Heritage Hotel, especially with a glass of port wine. Hotel Lisboa Plaza is at a great location to get to all the major sites in Lisbon and is surrounded by great restaurants and parks. I hope you enjoyed checking out Hotel Lisboa Plaza with me. For more information, check out the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.